Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of the MongoDB database. In this session, I will explain you how we can update and delete the document using MongoDB query. So let us start with the practical. Now in step 1, we first create a database, then within the database we create a collection and then we insert the record. सो ये सारी चीज़ें लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया है. हाँ, वीडियो नंबर 2 आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें हमने डेटाबेस क्रिएट किया है, रिकॉर्ड इंसर्ट किया. सो गो टू द MongoDB कंपास. नाउ जस्ट क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस, यूज कॉलेज DB. नाउ वी फर्स्ट चेक द कलेक्शंस हियर. देयर इज no collection in database, so now we insert the record in this database. So this is the syntax. We can insert multiple records here in database. So now this is the syntax. Just click. Then now we check show collection here. So as we can see here, we have a student collection. Now we find the records in the database. So we have a db.students.find. This will retrieve all the records. So this is the records. Okay, now we start with the update query. So this is the syntax to update the records in the database. So db.collection name, right, dot update. There are two ways: update many. Suppose I want to update the many records, and we have one more method, update one, right. अपडेट वन, एज वी कैन सी हियर वी हैव हियर वन अपडेट वन. सो अपडेट वन से एक ही रिकॉर्ड अपडेट होगा, बट when we want to update the many records, so we use update many methods. So now there are two parameters. First is the condition. We have to give the condition कि which records we want to update, और उसकी जो वैल्यू है field equals to value. So we have to set the value for the record. तो नाउ सपोज आई वांट टू अपडेट द राहुल सेज, राइट. राहुल नाम का एक है स्टूडेंट, सो आई वांट टू अपडेट द एज ऑफ द राहुल. तो वी राइट दिस क्वेरी db.students.updateOne. why? Because update, why we are using update one? Because I want to update only Rahul's age. So we write update one, then curly bracket open and close, then we write name equals to Rahul. This is my condition. I want to update the record of this student, and we set $set, right, the age colon 23. So now we start with this. Okay, now we first write db dot, then we have a collection student dot update one, then open bracket close bracket, then shift enter. Now we write a curly bracket name, we write a name colon, the name of the student that I want to update is Rahul, and then comma, then again shift enter, curly bracket, then we write $set colon, and then again within curly bracket we write age colon. I suppose I have entered 23, comma. So here we are updating the age of the Rahul. राहुल की एज अपडेट कर रहे हैं. क्या होगा अपडेट? वो है 23. ओके, so as we can see here, acknowledge true. Now we write db dot collection to verify the age. We write this find, within find, right, as we can see here, the age of the Rahul is updated to 23. Now next we see how we can update the multiple records, right. So again this is the syntax. The only change is that we use update many function. Okay, now suppose I want to update the many students cities. So we write update many, and the city which I want to update is your मुंबई, और किससे अपडेट करना है, सिटी मुंबई जिसका है उसको क्या करना है, तो सिटी इक्वल्स टू पुणे. सो नाउ इन दिस केस राइट द स्टूडेंट हैविंग अ सिटी मुंबई gets updated to Pune. So let us start with this. Now we first check db.student.find. So now we have Amit का सिटी है मुंबई, एंड देन वी हैव अ नेहा, उसका तो पूना है, छोड़ दो. देन राहुल हैज़ अ सिटी मुंबई. ओके, नाउ जस्ट क्लियर स्क्रीन. Now we update the many records, so we write db.collectionname.updateMany. Then curly bracket open and close, shift enter, curly bracket, we write a condition, right? We write a condition, city colon, I want to update the city Mumbai. Then again comma, shift enter, curly bracket open. Now we set dollar set, then within bracket we write again city to Pune. Enter. There is just some syntax colon. Okay, I forget the colon. Here after set we write a colon. Okay, so now as you can see here, acknowledge true. Now again we print the cities, db.student.find. So right, we have these records. So now Amit, the city becomes Pune, and then Rahul का भी city Pune हो गया. So in this way we can update the multiple records. Next part of the practical is delete document. Delete the records in the document. So now to delete the records in the documents, we have a MongoDB query. This is the syntax, right? Again in this we have a two ways, either we can delete one record or we can delete multiple records. So to delete one record we have a delete one method, and then I want to suppose delete a multiple records, we have to give delete many, and then we have to specify the condition, right? Otherwise all records will be deleted, so we have to specify the condition. So in this way, right, I want to delete the student name Amit. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम लोग, we have a db.students.deleteOne because I want to delete only one record. Okay, so now student name equals to Amit. In this way we can delete, and then I want to suppose delete the multiple records, so we write city equals to Pune. The student having a city, all documents having a city Pune will be deleted. So these are the two ways, either we can delete one record or we can delete multiple records. So now go to the MongoDB compass. Now we write cls clear screen. Okay, now we first start with the db dot, then student db dot students dot delete one, then open bracket close bracket shift enter, then write curly bracket. Now I want to delete the student having name colon Amit. As we can see here, acknowledge true, deleted count 1. Okay, because Amit record एक ही है. Now we check again db dot student dot find. db.students.find. So as we can see here, we have only two records. यहाँ पे दो ही रिकॉर्ड है, नेहा एंड राहुल. अमित का जो रिकॉर्ड है वो डिलीट हो गया. इन द सेम वे नाउ नेक्स्ट अगेन cls clear screen, we write db dot db.students.deleteMany. Again, within curly shift enter, within curly bracket we write city equals to, within double city colon, then within double quotes we write Pune, and then so as we can see here, acknowledge true, but this time we have deleted 2 records, so we don't have any record in the student collection. See, because there are 2 records जिसका सिटी पुणे था तो सब डिलीट हो गया. There are no records available in this database. So in this way we can delete either single or multiple records from the MongoDB database. So this is all about the update and delete query. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.